Oh my god, wow, you soul get a cat. He will consume your salt and rape your children and grandmother.
Thanks, Mexican Matt, you always are nice to me, unlike those other assholes. Hey, did you get those faxes?
If you want them you have to lick my nipples.
You are the worst piece of shit ever to all the art. I hope you die in a fire, you retard. Fuck you.
I wish my mother said such nice things about me.
Oh look, another Mexican fucker.
He could kick your whiny little pale ass.
No, what the fuck are you doing?